news just coming in at this point in time. Sensex has hit a lifetime high. Sensex trades above 85,000. Nifty 2 hits an all-time high is what we know. The market's cheering. What are the reasons? We'll get our viewers up to speed with that in just a moment from now. But these are the details as far as the Dalal Street is concerned. It's an all-time high of 85,000. Sensex hitting a lifetime high of over 85,000, trading above 85,000. Nifty also hitting an all-time high. IT stocks are though down and oil and gas power gain. JSW Steel, Power Grid Co, Adani Enterprises are among the top gainers on Nifty, while the losers are HUL, Bajaj Finance and Infosys, also Divis Labs and HDFC Life. Tata Steel, Hindalco Industries, like I said, are among the top gainers on Nifty today, as the Sensex has traded above 85,000 at an all-time high. Nifty also hitting an all-time high. Sakshi Batra will be in fact getting in more details on that story. Chetan Bhutani joining us this morning. Chetan Bhutani, do give us a sense of what really is cheering the markets today. I understand that Nifty too, along with Sensex, is at an all-time high.
Well, absolutely. You know, on the back of the rate cut that the US has done and the Dow Jones Index also, you know, closing in on a little marginal higher side, Indian markets are actually copying and rallying the ride with the US markets as well, with Nifty hitting about 25,975, which is a 52-week high. In fact, if we talk about the Sensex has today hit about 85,051, which is a 52-week high. In fact, in the markets have shattered all the records as far as the trading is concerned. In fact, on the back of SEBI's report on F&O trading, still the markets are very bullish.
All right, we have these details. We'll just try and connect with Chetan Bhutani in fact in a moment from now. But Sensex is scaling 85,000 above for the first time ever. Nifty also hitting a record high. Metal pack, the top sectoral gain is what we know. The benchmark indices of Indian benchmark indices, the Sensex and the Nifty reaching new record highs for the fourth straight session today, continuing their upward momentum following the significant rate cut by the Federal Reserve last week. Nifty gainers on your screens right now. Tata Steel, Hindalco are the top gainers here as far as Nifty is concerned. Adani stocks too at a high. These are the gainers on Nifty, and Sensex, of course, trading above the 85,000 mark. Also, Reliance Power up 5% on preferential issue approval. Sensex crosses the 85,000 level for the first time. Nifty also hitting a fresh record high. Chetan is back with us. Chetan, talk us through what really is driving this cheer as far as Nifty is concerned. I do understand that the top gainers here today are Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel again. These are the top gainers. Essentially, metal are packing the top sectoral gainer.
Well, absolutely. You know, if you look at metal stocks, they are shining, and in fact, a lot of positive news coming in from China. China has announced a stimulus. So if you see NMDC Steel, Jindal Steel, Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta, JSW and JSL, they're all buzzing in trade today. In fact, the key factors is, so the sector has underperformed, plus there's kind of a weakness in dollar, plus the China stimulus added has led to the all contributing growth for the markets as well. In fact, the China stimulus that you're talking about, we are expecting a 50 basis point RRR cut very soon. A 7-day policy rate was also reduced by 20 BPS to 1.5%, and the governor ban of China has anticipated that LPR and deposit rates will decline. In fact, as far as Chinese markets are concerned, down payment for second homes has been lowered from 15% to 25%, 0.5% cut in existing mortgage rates. So clearly, the Indian markets are all set for 26,000. US markets, in fact, yesterday closed marginally higher. Asian markets is also on an all-time high. Gold is also, in fact, seeing higher levels. Silver, however, is consolidating. Crude is down. Cryptos are, however, in a mixture of a mixed bag right now. Dollar index is stable. So after hitting 26,038, FIIs, the foreign institutional investors, the domestic institutional investors will be the key buyers in the Indian markets. In fact, yesterday also saw buying in the markets by FIIs and DIs close to about 1,000 odd crore rupees. So clearly, markets are all set for a record high. I'm sure after this we'll see some profit booking. But yes, a lot of brokerage houses and research firms have maintained a buy rating on Indian markets as well. Back to you.
Well, absolutely. This is, in fact, for the fourth straight session today, isn't it? It's actually an upward momentum in continuum there. Chetan, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details. Just remember, is an upward momentum following the significant rate cut by the Federal Reserve last week. 85,000 for the first time. That Sensex Nifty 2 hitting a record high. Metal packed the top sectoral gainer.